Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambayanang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. Makadiyos or God-fearing. Filipinos are widely recognized as being deeply spiritual and God-fearing people. Nagsimula ito nung sakupin ng mga Kastila ang ating bansa na nag-impluwensya sa mga Pilipino. Over 86% Filipinos are Roman Catholics. Filipinos were known for showing respect to God by acknowledging His authority and power in all aspects of life. Kilala rin ang mga Pilipino dahil sa buong puso at loob nilang pagsunod sa mga kautusan ng Poong May Kapal. Makatao or pro-people. Filipinos are known for being makatao. Ito ang pag-uugaling nagpapakita ng pagmamahal, pag-aalaga at pag-iintindi sa ating kapwa. This value is deeply ingrained in Filipino culture and is evident in their daily interactions, relationships, and societal norms. The term makatao is one of the pillars of the Filipino moral values framework, emphasizing na sobrang mahalaga ang pagpapakita ng pag-iintindi sa iba. Being makatao is showing compassion, empathy, hospitality, and generosity. Makakalikasan or nature-loving. Filipinos being makakalikasan reflects their deep respect and care for the environment. Ang values na ito ay itinuturo na ng mga Pilipino simula pa noon. Dahil isinasalamin nito ang pagpapakita ng kapayapaan at pag-ibig ng bawat isa sa kalikasan. We also participate in sustaining the use of natural resources. It is also enshrined in the Philippine Constitution and promoted in educational and societal frameworks as part of national values. Makakalikasan impulse respect for nature, environmental advocacy, sustainability practices, and biodiversity protection. Makabansa or nationalistic. Filipinos being makabansa is all about showing their love, loyalty, and dedication to their beloved and chosen country. This value is deeply rooted in the nation's history, culture, and collective identity, na siya mismong nagmitya ng nag-aapoy na nasyonalismo sa puso ng bawat Pilipino. Being makabansa includes love for country, patriotism, respect for the Constitution and laws, and being active in participating nation-building activities.